Hello and welcome back to my channel. It is getting to spooky season and I decided that I would show you how I made my cloaks for my 3 Halloween costumes I made this year. The hood consists of 2 pieces of the same exact shape. So here I just grabbed something that had a hood on it, put it on there, and then cut out the shape I wanted. And the cape part is just a rectangle piece. Like I said, I made 3 cloaks, one in green, one in red, and one in purple. One was for a child and 2 were for adults. With the purple one, since I could not find the right material I wanted, I used polycotton and I double layered it. Also, this is made for a tall person, so I actually had to make it wider than what the actual width of the fabric was. So there's actually a center seam in the cape part of the purple cape. With the hood, I sewed the top of the hood together, and then I sewed from the back of the hood to about 9 to 12 inches from the front of the hood together. So basically the bottom part of the hood, there's like a V shape that's not sewn together. And to clean up the raw edges, I went ahead and did a rolled hem on the front of the hood. Now onto the cape part. The top of the cape, I did a gathering stitch and I pulled it all together to fit in that V opening in the bottom of the hood. Once that was gathered down, I pinned it to the bottom of the hood and sewed it all together. Once that was done, I added a closure to it, and since this fabric doesn't fray, the cloak is done. These cloaks were super simple and they will work for what I need them for. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next week. Bye.